Think about a software developer's daily routine. Every day they open office tools like GitHub, Slack, and Jira. The big problem is for every app, they have to create and remember different username and password. This creates a lot of confusion. People forget passwords or write them on sticky notes. Because of this, hackers can easily steal passwords and misuse companies' data. To solve this problem, companies use SSO, which means single sign-on. Instead of typing passwords in every app, there is one main identity vault in the middle. It acts like a master key. Before we see a live example, let us understand the basic setup. The app you want to use is the service provider. The central vault is the identity provider. They both trust each other completely. So let us see how it works step by step. A developer opens their browser and tries to open GitHub. But GitHub doesn't know who this person is. So it stops them at the gate. Instead of asking for password, GitHub simply redirects the developer to the central identity vault. It is like a saying, go and show your ID card to the main security guard first. Now the developer is on company's main login page. Here, they type their official username and password just one single time. They don't have to type it again and again. For some companies, for extra safety, the system asks for an OTP or sends a notification to the developer's mobile phone. This is called multi-factor authentication to prove it really them or not. So once the login is successful, the central identity vault creates a highly secure digital pass. We call this a token. It is like an entry ticket stamped by the company. The browser takes this token and goes back to GitHub. GitHub checks the company stamp on the token, trusts it, and immediately opens the account for developer. Now comes the real magic. Later, developers wants to check messages on Slack. So they open the Slack app. Slack app also stops them and checks with central identity vault. But wait, the developer already logged in a few minutes ago. The central vault remembers this, so it simply sends a token to Slack. Slack opens instantly without asking for any password. SSO is also great for IT team. If employee leaves the company, the admin just turns off the main identity account. Instantly their access to GitHub, Slack and Jira is blocked. Very safe and easy. In simple words, single sign-on removes the headache of too many passwords. You just log in securely one time in the morning and get instant access to all your office apps all day. And guess what? You use this exact same master system in your normal life too. Whenever you open everyday app like Netflix, Swiggy or any shopping app and clicks on single sign in with Google or continue with Facebook, you are using SSO. Google acts as your central vault and keeping your life simple and secure. Thanks for watching the video.